Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing COSRX Blackhead Removal Kit. It looks like this. It comes in 3 steps: softening, clearing, and relaxing. So let's give it a go because I can feel the little blackhead bumps on my nose. Okay, the first thing I do is making sure that my nose is actually clean. I am just using a simple makeup remover wipe just to get rid of, I don't know, whatever is on my nose. Don't want to wipe away my lipstick because I really like this color. And then the second step that I do is I use a bit of just normal water and pouring it in here. I mix that with some boiling water. So as you can see, I have a big bowl of water here, and what I do is I just use a piece of cloth, I just dunk it in there, and the idea is you want to open up your pores. And you just put it on your nose, hold it on your nose for about 2 seconds. Oh, this is quite relaxing. We already reached step 3. So step 1 says, softening sheet helps open up pores to dissolve blackheads smoothly, and to do that you apply the nose mask sheet and wait 5 to 10 minutes, and afterwards remove the sheet and wipe off any wastes from the pores. Alright, easy enough. Let's do this. Try to get this out. It's a bit of a struggle. Oh, there's quite a lot of essence in here, if you can see. And this is the nose sheet. So I'm just gonna apply it on my nose like this to soften the, wait, maybe it's this way. Yeah, to soften them. Oh shit, too much essence and it's going to my mouth. Tastes sweet. Okay. Alright. I look like I just had a nose job. Now we wait 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. So we're ready for step 2, which is the clearing sheet. So the clearing sheet says it helps to extract blackheads and other waste from pores. And to do that, we need some warm water. Well, that's great because I have one that I prepared earlier. And so you put the warm water on your nose and then apply this sheet and wait for another 10 to 15 minutes. When the sheet becomes dry, take the sheet off slowly, starting from the edges. Okay, cool. So let's do this. And take this off. And do this again. It's really nice. It's like a little spa for your nose. Put this up. And then let's just, apply it. I think once your nose is a little bit wet, it sticks onto it quite nicely. Make sure I get the bottom bit as well. All right, now we wait for another 10-15 minutes. Okay, so it has been about 15 minutes and it is the moment of truth where we peel this thing off and reveal how much blackheads it has removed. I am very excited because I get so much satisfaction from seeing the little blackheads on the sheet. All right, let's do this. So we start from the edge and then we do it slowly. Okay. Now let me check it out. Not bad, not bad. I see some blackheads. I don't know if you can tell. It's kind of gross, but there are some blackheads poking out here. I guess that's this part of my nose. Not so much on here, like on the sides. It's mainly on the top. All right. Let's do the last step, which is relaxing. So relaxing sheet helps to close the enlarged pores and aids in relieving irritated skin. So I guess it's just the final step that helps you to close the pores and make it less red. So you put it on your nose and wait for another 5 to 10 minutes. Afterwards, remove the sheet and pat to the remaining essence for better absorption. All right, final step. It looks very similar to the first step where there's a lot of essence in there. Oh, I see there are about 3 layers. So we remove the protective layers and it reveals this jelly thing here. All right, it looks like a mustache. Now we just put it on. It's very cooling. It feels really nice. I'm a little bit disappointed at the fact that the second step didn't remove as much blackheads as I had anticipated because it's been a while since I removed my blackheads, so I thought that there will be heaps to be removed. So yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed about that. Anyhow, let's finish this final step. Okay, it's been long enough and I am going to remove the relaxing sheet. Just gonna pat the essence into my nose. And voila, that's the end of the 3-step COSRX blackhead removal. First of all, like I mentioned, I was a little bit disappointed at the amount of blackheads that it has removed. I was expecting a lot more. Because I got this as a free gift when I was in Korea, I wanted to say how much it would actually cost if I were to buy it online. And I saw this website selling them for $10 and I was like, $10 for something that doesn't really work that well. So I probably wouldn't buy it again. There is another Korean brand with pigs on it, or maybe it's got pig noses. I'll show a photo of that. And I really enjoyed that one because I remember after stripping off the sheet, I was like, holy moly, this is very satisfying just seeing the amount of blackheads that were coming out. So I recommend that one, but this one, not really. I give it 5 out of 10. So those are my thoughts. So if you have tried it, let me know what you think of it. That's all for today. And if you like it, please hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Shut up, bud. Please hit the